Yo, you know when me know say the boy Alkaline have powers?
Be honest, let's be honest, Jeffrey. As an Alka fan, I never really expect that from you, you know. Because all I will know say Alka fan, you know. But anyway, me hear you on your podcast and you say, Jaii compare Skippa run to an Alka run. Brother.
Matter of fact, again, you now get the interview they are with pan, bro. So stop mentioning that.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them lock?
I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know I think set. So I see a brother forward out and a forward with a message, you know. I tell you what go on at the Barclays. You don't know Alkaline. I got in at the Barclays March the 21st. You see me? Yeah. But you know, last year we did it, but you know, with some other artists. So I tell you what go on in a day. I say, yo, him never know say, yo, Alkaline I walk with such a energy, like a superstar level. You see me? But here we must say people.
Yo, you know when me know say the boy Alkaline have powers? Last year when we go Barclays Center. Oh.
Yeah, man. The man, you have to understand, you know. Remember, say, you know, if you can't see it. Remember, say, yo, Alkaline, no. Yo, the man don't even talk much, bro. And it's like, people just call up him name every day. You really have to have powers for, you know, in the social media world. People not to see you, right? You not run down no hype or no controversy and all of them little thing there. You just do your normal thing and an artist. And your name just a call up every day. And people now see you like, your name a call up in a bag of interview. This a man a call your name. Clash a go on and your name, you see me, I recommend and a bag of things, people. Yeah, man, you have to work with some energy, man. You have to set some impact in the game for that to go on. You understand?
Oh, Clout. Me see the girl next to me a ball living and chew Jaii water. You see when the man touch the stage? Bro, me say the energy shifting at the blood play center, bro. That boy.
Yeah, man. Chief. I tell you, when the man walk out in a Barclays, that's nothing normal. And wait till March the 21st. It'll go even worse. That me I tell you, hear the rhyme there? Yeah, man, March the 21st, it'll go even worse. You see it? Because I don't know, say, yo, the vendetta people, I'm going to full up in there. You see me? I remember, say, Alkaline go perform him song them, you know. Yeah, man, Alkaline go perform him song them. So, I know nothing normal. Yo, you sure go, it'll go sell off. You see me?
They have some powers, match up with some powers, bro. All the hip hop artists, Chris Brown and them, and them see get the woman them certain way, bro, and you know. And Michael Jack, that boy they have some powers, bro. Man, I tell you that they have some powers. And I like that when the man touch his stage, I see.
Yo, I tell the people, yo, man, I forgot it, because I don't want the copyright. You see me? No emotions, you see it? The song there, tough piece of song. You see me? But the youth set the thing in the game where it's like people can't get tired of him. See, when the man march out, it's just the man set him thing, you have to just look upon him like a superstar. You don't see them man there in the street and walk and a hike. You don't see them man there in a club, no party and all of them little thing there. Only time, you see them man there up on stage or you see him go shoot a music video or him just pull up on an island or somewhere if go perform on one show. I saw them man they move. You see me? Them man they well focused, dog. Well focused pan the success and whatever goals him have ahead. You see it?
Crowd a react and you say wait. You know normally get them things done. How I go on? Bro, me say the brother have some powers done. The dog have some powers. The man a chop with some powers, bro. The boy him powerful. Big man thing. And everywhere me turn, one at a time, when just a reach, everywhere me turn. Cause you know, you hear people chat. Everywhere me talk, me hear people plan, like them a plan, so them a walk out after Alkaline done perform. That's a blood clot. But it's real, me I tell all my empress, say, yo, you know, say, look like, say, them people are going to walk out and kill us, guy. Everybody, everywhere me talk, me them a, so, I say, yo, after done perform, them a walk out. Me I say,
yo. See the people? You see, and that are the thing, you know. A lot of people say, yo, wallahi man, people tired. Brother, yo, you have to understand, say, brother, the vendetta fans them, Now play when them come to them artists. Remember, you know. Remember, say them know, say, look here. Them artists now go forward out and diss nobody or defend or whatsoever. So, them fully fake. I got this who forget this. And them show Bounty Killer a lesson in a Barclays that night there. And show him say, yo, brother, ease yourself. But I feel like you can diss the vendetta boss and get way. You understand? And the people them just cut out. Because look at now people. Remember say Bounty Killer headline a show in a Barclays already. With him and Massacre and Movado. Him, Massacre and Movado and Idonia, I think. Seen? And nobody never walk out on him. So, after I saw the second show now, people walk out. It show you, brother. If vendetta fan them make sure you turn up and say, hey, my artists are cut show beans. And Bounty see the vibes and Vex, you know, up on the stage and vent and all of them look at things. Because him hear what going on, you know, that's why he did a vent, you know. Somebody tell him, say, yo, them a plan for walk, them a plan for walk out, you know. That's why him come out Vex. You understand? And I think Vegas come out and say, yo, you look like him, do you want to go link Alkaline for big him up or something right time door. You see me? So that even worse. Make him fall out of him and him say, yo, nobody. You see me, artist, no I say nobody. You see me? Yeah, brother, I saw a man move. I know a body link up and them look at thing. You see me? Yeah, man, unity is set up. You see it?
That Clout, this look serious, man. Yeah, man, the brother they have powers, man. Alkaline him powerful. The artist is powerful. Me don't know, bro. Me don't know who you walk with, bro. You walk with some powers, dog. Big man thing. Me never know say no dancehall artist can pull them powers and have them kind of power, yeah, bro. Me I tell you the truth. Nah, powerful.
Be honest, let's be honest, Jaii. As an Alka fan, I never really expect that from you, you know. Because all I would say Alka fan, you know. But anyway, me hear you on your podcast and you say, Jaii, compare Skippa run to an Alka run. Brother, you know the only smart mess would get a boss like an Alka, but them never maintain it. And not even, never maintain it and they never gigantic as for Alka too. Or probably Valiant and Skeng. You see me? And after that, them thing just soft down and you have your work again. Alka 2 year, Alka career where Alka do, you know. I eat of Alka career up to today, you know. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. Then who you think kick down barriers for them artists, yeah? Alka do that youth make Skeng them and them man they can forward. Cause back in them days, you would have say you had this or say you had that or man if you carry up on stage and them thing there, you see me? And that did I go on back then. So what you mean? No, me not think that you nobody now go get Alkaline run, bro. Alkaline run was just like is a new generation, brother. Him start it. I him open the doors, brother. You see me? The young youths them for. Cause I remember, you know, after Alkaline bus, you know, a bag of young youths start bus, you know. Bag of young youths. You see it? And them bag of young youths and some of them may be forward out and you know rare, but majority of them, brother, you see me Skeng them and all of them the man, brother. Cause back then the industry never did a really pre like young youths like that. That's bro, that's how Alkaline get the most fights. So because brother that youth are forward and like him now I saw them a preaching people. Like what just forward and just a run the place so. And go on like him now want respect and after the man say him respect everybody. But through the youth, no do the regular routine for the rest. You understand? Yeah man, the youth kick down bars and bag of thing, man. You see it? Yeah. So young youths can come run the place. You see me? Yeah man, but that look a Skippa and Jaii thing the dog. Brother, the man them just in them feelings, bro. Man, him not getting an interview, bro. You see me? I second time this them realize Alkaline they are Jamaican. Them not getting an interview. Cause I'm got Cliff Hughes, I think last year. Now him forward now and him not get it. The man in them feelings, bro. You see me? Man in them feelings, dog. That's a him attack a bag of thing and you know, but brother, if I saw you want to get interview, you're not get that, dog. I tell you, you're not getting an interview, brother. You see me? Cause if you see how no meds, I don't saw it work, bro. You see me? I don't know, bro. Me I tell you, Alkaline just the man them compare man with everybody to bombard. The old, the young, everything. You see me? We don't know how them man do it, dog, but you don't know. Alkaline I key man a dancehall and my center attention, so you know the name I got always called. Is it? Yeah, forget your views or you know? Your Clout.
Alka can go out with a 2-year damn catalog and sing them alone and they work. So when me hear you say the run with Skippa get make Skippa grow, bro. Don't try to put a Skippa against Alka fan them. Make Skippa grow. Skippa just get a song where probably other people apart from Jamaica I hear it. And the song they know on DJ Mac. But if you understand, say when I don't yard and I walk and show Kingston iTunes list every week and I Skippa them I Skippa that don't mean nothing, bro. Can I probably 80% or 70% of Jamaicans now listen music to iTunes and Spotify. I'm sure of that. Or YouTube. You see me? YouTube them I use and them look at thing there. But yeah, and this other take on from Skippa, because you might go and good and hear me people but Skippa have whole heap more work to put in before you can even classify him in Alkaline. I don't feel like nobody ever get Alkaline either again.
No man, nobody now get Alkaline run, bro. Alkaline was just that guy where I go kick down the door for the young youths them where you see a bus right now. So nobody now go a one kick down the door can kick down. Nobody else can kick it down again when it done kick down already. You understand? So, bro, the man them I use as some hype, brother. When an artist just bust, bro, everybody a go rate the artist. Everybody a go reel up for the artist and all of them look a thing there. Yeah, we have all people say, yo, my artist. You see, if an artist hot at the moment, each time an artist hot at the moment, you have people that say, yo, my artist this. Just for the clout, just for the hype, they must say that. You see me? So them a go run and, do them thing and all of them look a thing there. You see it? But you can't use that for your try. Because me and them talk about fans and I say, bro, Skippa just get the little breakthrough with the W something with rhythm, brother. Like, me don't know how the man them do it, bro. You see me? Them a go and like say, yo, I decide big song for Skippa, you know. Skippa, to me, him there they do song, but this are the song where people start say, oh, him this. Yeah, bro, because some of the time, the internet thing kind of fool some people and I know say, bro, in a reality, brother, in the streets are different thing, bro. You see me? Streets are different thing, dog. So right now, bro, I don't know even the argument. Because me the argument they already in a brother, like, yo, I don't know what the man never compare Skippa with Alka, bro. Like really, brother. Brother, when Alka run play a be hits after hits, brother. Right now, just one song the people them can talk about with Skippa right now. And I see him double something rhythm, funny rhythm, brother. You see me in time the Alkaline I get B8 after hits, fam. You see it? Yeah, brother, that run the way Alka get. Brother, I don't know, I'll run that dog. Man, I tell you. He man even predict 1 year and a year and reach it. Me I tell you, dog. You have some profit. You see me?
Because the 2 year the dog career make the dog a column, you see it? So don't compare the dog thing to Alka, man. Just slow Skippa make Skippa go anywhere.
Big up yourself. You do it. You do it, youth. No one can take that from me. You do it. This I think more find out Jaii. Why every podcast you have to mention Alkaline. Me know views pay, but bro, come on, bro. The interview you up and you're not gonna get it, bro. So why still mention the dog?
Yo, you can go and mention, Yeah, man, make him go and mention Alka, man. A promotion for your artist, Remember, over years, I hate build the artist, You understand? And more them hate, and more the artists show them up. You see me, look here. You see, because them can't get to control the youth and get what them want, them are just always hate. Because them have them artists, and them have them favorite producer and all of them look a thing there, And you see once this artist and not to link with him and all of them look a thing there, yeah. You will get someone in them feelings and all of them look a thing there. You see me? So, it no matter what them say, dog. Is it? They might only make themselves look like a fool for the media. You see me? Yeah, so him can do what him want do. You see me? Because at the end of the day, Alkaline not stop a man from making food. That's why you not afford in a media thing on social media. You see me? Yeah, you just call him name. Yeah, you go viral. You see me? Yeah, no matter what you say, because you know how much thing them talk in an interview, and I just say Alkaline thing alone. You see me? Just say Alkaline, so it trace the youth powerful, dog. Youth not in the media, but them in the media. Or who in the media. Alkaline name always a call, brother. You have to really powerful to do that, May I tell you that, brother. You have to be powerful, dog. Right now, Alkaline is the most exclusive artist in a dancehall right now. You see me? Them man there, to see them man there, like, you can't ask much people, you have to lucky. Me I tell you, say, if you see them man there, just know, say, yo, continue sleep on that side where you sleep on. Me I tell you that. You see it.
Or you just do it because you know the vendetta people. About defend the vendetta boss. I think you should get some more topic. You need some different topic because most of the topic it's always about Alkaline comparing to some different artists or something. You need to get some different topic. You get me I say? Well, it's good for the artist as well too, you know. The more you mention him, it's better for him to see him about me I tell him. You need to find some different topic.
No, you know, I'm not gonna do it, you know. You see, worse that one you go viral and you gotta give him views. Yeah, man, I'm not gonna do it. Brother, if you not call Alkaline name in a dog, it don't make no sense, brother. You see me? The way him set him energy is like, yo, if you say nothing about them, man, it does go viral, brother. People are gonna talk about it. Cause them not too see him. You see me? So you gotta have him fans out there where defend him thing and you know? Anybody who diss Alka. You see me? Cause he's like this. You have Alka, you see me, as a man where lead the army, you see me? Yeah, the vendetta people, them say, look you now. Them man they not gonna say nothing. So the vendetta army I go out. You see me? Them my warrior go out, they go war and you know said people. You see me, make them know say yo, what you do? You see me? So Alkaline fan base na normal dog. You see me? So you think said.
Stop mentioning the dog. Stop put the dog with everybody else. The dog don't mix, bro. You don't get that. Matter of fact, again, you now get that interview they are with the bro. So stop mentioning the dog.
Yeah, man. Make him go and do him, man. You don't know a Jaii for that, you know. You see me? Them money, all them money do are us. Alkaline is a great artist, so them always compare me with other people, you know. Them always are gonna do that. You see me? Because in their mind, they maybe feel like, because them are gonna say, yo, about something about cartel and him should have more this than cartel and have more this than cartel. I mean, I say, brother, why not always I try put Alkaline career to cartel thing? You understand? So, but me know why I'm do that still, you know. I just throw him one of the vendetta people him forward out and race so him can get him views and that's how he thinks it. You see me at the end of the day, him only and make people lose respect for him and you know, people have him as a idiot, but that's how he thinks it, yeah, man. People I want media facts, you know what he thinks it. Big up on yourself. That is it.